Well, good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, today we are doing something very special. We are actually going to put the floors in this thing today, or at least we're going to attempt like crazy. And this is a monumental day. At least it is to me. So yeah, I'm really excited. So I'm waiting on the guys to show up, and I've got a bunch of people coming over to give me a hand. Hey, a little help from your friends. So today will be the day. So stick with us, and hope you enjoy the video as much as we enjoy making it today. This is going to be something killer. I hope. Stick with me.
What are we doing?
Here we go.
Everybody act normal.
Yeah. Abby normal?
Abby normal. Yeah, right. Come on, baby.
Seems
Left
like
side,
it's
one
lifting
up.
up that side.
It's lifting up that side.
Yeah.
It's lifting this side, but not this side.
No, because it's not centered. No, it's not centered.
So I gotta go.
You gotta go to the driver's side a couple.
Okay. And I probably gotta go another one over.
One or two.
Yeah. Yeah, man, that's weird too, because it was centered right in the middle. I wonder if the linkage and shit is a little extra weight.
Yeah, that's making it.
Yeah.
And the mirror.
Yeah. Baby, what's real nice? It's been nice. I like them a lot. I know you are. It's okay. There's some extra.
Oh, extra wires. Oh my God, I got extra wires.
Where are the red wires?
Yeah.
It fell out.
I'll tell you where they're at.
Let's see. I don't like those.
So,
So.
Salt. Let's slide in it.
well, okay. We kind of failed miserably here,
The last season.
but
Alright.
we need to put the body bushings in.
Okay, where we got those?
Well, we got the brand new ones there,
Or we got we should have the old ones.
and I got, where's the old ones at?
Damn, good thing we found this.
I know.
Right?
Never
It's
been able
the
to finish
key
the car
piece,
without
man.
this.
That's, you know what, that's a very, hold on, let me zoom in on that.
This is high
That's a
quality,
very crucial part.
very
We could
rare,
never get the car done without that.
very rare. You can't
Right.
get these.
Oh,
Exactly. Hey guys, I got these here, so, hey Kev, you know, I got brand new ones here, so if there's, I know a couple of those look like they were crushed,
Yeah.
and I got washers and them sleeves and everything. The only thing they didn't give us was they didn't give us both. They gave us the new square ones too.
The round
Yeah.
one fits here.
No, sir. Alright, so,
Put this in here. This one
what
in
are
here.
you telling us to put those square ones?
Well, yeah, I did. Kevin's got it, but there were no bolts. They didn't give me any bolts.
Okay.
I got bolts.
Well, that doesn't tell you shit.
Isn't it?
Not really.
I got. Okay,
Okay,
I
so,
can.
according to this though, the thicker ones go on top. So that's the very front. So the number one body mount is the very front.
That's this
off
one
the
here.
cowl.
All right, so
And
let's
that's
just.
showing.
Two outer. Okay, so two. You have one.
Does they all get a washer on top of them like that?
Yes. Washer goes on top.
And then the floor sits on that,
Correct.
or that goes up on the top. Because there was no washer on these. The body sat against it. Right?
So, okay, so yeah, that's threaded there. Okay, that one's threaded. Okay, yeah.
Because there's still going to be.
All that shit's threaded.
Oh no, that's right. What the fuck am I thinking about? Because the floor's going to sit on that, so I'm thinking, oh yeah, we got to put the floor and then something on top of it. Like, no,
No.
we'll just put the floor on.
The floor's gonna sit on it because right here, these are the front.
That's actually
Those are the
back.
rear. Oh, that's
I'm
the
sorry,
rear.
okay, that's the rear.
Yeah, it's by the rear.
But anyways-
Then in the frame. Yeah. Here, these are body mounts, and they're
Yeah.
threaded.
Oh, okay.
So they're basically gonna be just like I did there. Right.
Oh, yeah.
And then there obviously will be a washer on the bottom. And then you put that, but you're going to
Well, there's another washer that goes on top of the floor then, right?
No, because the floor is threaded.
Oh, but there's
Yeah,
some
right.
that bolt through though, right?
You run the bolt from underneath.
Well, it depends on where you're at. So positions 1 and 2,
Yeah, these,
the head goes top down. So the head's at the top on those.
But
Yeah,
there's
that's
no
because
washer.
that's those ones where you got that round guy, the tab that comes off the body and goes on top of the
yeah,
floor.
just the cowl has a through bolt. The rest of these here are just bolt from underneath.
Yeah,
So
Except for
because
these
the
two
floor
right
is
here.
threaded, so it just goes
Yeah,
from underneath
the-
and threads into the
There's
floor.
two right here in the front by where your feet go. Those go from the top down.
Those were the ones.
Everything
remember
in
we
the
had
middle
nuts
goes
and bolts, right?
Everything from the middle in the middle goes up from the bottom.
Okay.
The front 2 and the very last one go down through the top.
Right.
Right.
Right down.
Okay, so
Right.
let's take one of these.
Left,
One of
left.
them. And probably one of these. And
So the square ones go into the front here, right?
yeah, that's the way I'm taking it, yes. Okay, so I'm like, you know what, I might as well set these in there. So this way everything is sitting the way it's gonna sit.
Yeah, right. True.
Instead of putting old and new, just put all the new ones, set them all
Yeah.
in there, and be done with it.
I mean, it tells you.
All right, Rudy. Cool.
What about these body mounts back here?
Those are the ones we had support.
Yeah, they're just.
There were old ones.
You want to take them out?
We don't need that.
Yeah, you can take them out. Right?
Now we need a tube for the back of the floor pan.
Yes.
Yeah.
You want to grab that and I'll just grab the whole thing from the front?
Whatever you want to do there, bud.
Yeah, I got the front, so just
You
go
got
ahead.
more muscles.
Some young muscles.
Yeah, right.
We're gonna, there you go, drop that back end in, I'll lift up.
Yeah, once that goes past there, then you're golden.
Yeah, I'll have to reset those washers.
Yeah.
Go ahead and go down the side cut.
Want to wipe that down before you put it on the
Nah, it's
heater?
gonna come back out. No!
Why is it gotta come back up again?
Because we're just mopping it up. This thing.
Oh,
Hold on. Okay, fine. Oh, towards me.
Kevin. What? Oh, what? Gotta go your way. Yeah.
Yeah, the back end,
Well, lift up.
Lift up.
there you go.
Need the body up anymore or no?
It's gotta go to the back end needs to go to my left or hit the inner fender. There you go. Should be money now. Pretty fucking close to it.
Oh, you're pretty much there. Record. All right, here we go. First time.
Nice and slow and easy, baby.
Drive it.
We don't want it to fall into place.
Yeah.
Oh, it'll fit down.
How about it?
The rocker's gonna clear.
Yeah, you're
Good so far.
Yeah, rockers look all fine.
It should slide right down perfect on them. Because you got the top ones are thinner and the bottom one is wider. It's like you're gonna go right into a perfect. Looking good. Coming on sweet. Almost there, about an inch and a half, about an inch.
Hold on, Dennis.
All right.
We can open the door.
Open Kevin's door because it looks like that door is catching up. You don't want to cut it in. Fucking up front looks great.
Oh, the fucking front, perfect.
Give me a hammer.
second drawer.
I'm gonna try to tap it. I know where those are at.
You want a sheet? You want a ball feed or a?
Just some with some beef.
Fucking perfect.
Yeah, it
That's
is.
money. Hey, Scotty.
You?
Here.
I got one.
Oh, never mind.
Oh, shit.
Here, just rotate.
No, what, you gotta get it,
It's on-
you gotta get it matched up with the trunk here?
We'll see where it's not lining
This
up.
upper pan.
You know, it's not laying down on it. We got a gap up here in the front. The pan's gotta go, the pan's gotta twist a little bit.
I still think the body's not sitting right on the frame back here. As soon as I let it down
It's not,
again,
you know what, there's a gap in there. There's, yeah, that should sit flush.
Wait a minute.
Floor pan need to go up or the car needs to go down?
Where's that?
Not sure.
Let's take a look at it.
Floor pan need to come up or the car goes down?
The car needs to come down.
Yeah, that's clear up there. Okay.
Wait, this pops, right?
Hang on 1 second. I think I might know it.
Yeah, probably a single speaker in the back.
Maybe.
Or a reverted throttle. Might have been an option, you know. There's that. Frame, right?
Yeah, because this side is this here.
Well, that side's
This
down.
here is at the floor. The lip is on the floor.
It is on the floor over
On
there?
this side, yes.
I mean, left to right, do you think we're in the right spot on the back end here?
So it's holding it.
But with that side holding it up, would that keep the body from going all the way down? I wonder.
I mean, it's off a lot on this side.
Yeah.
But then if it goes down, it's not gonna be level. It'll hang down on this side. Cause you're leveled, right? It was level to the floor?
I mean, the floor pan itself is good. It's a hair.
We didn't check back here though.
Where?
With a level in the back of it.
He's doing it right now.
I got
Got a level
Yeah,
line.
there's a level on that back panel.
I stuck the level on the floor pan,
Oh, wait a minute,
and it
Yeah.
was just a hair off. And now I have it sitting on that
I
pump
lifted it
where it's
up.
caught, but it's still showing that it's high on the one side.
Yeah, see now where that roll bar is that roll bar touching the frame, the floor again? Because that's not,
No, we got about a 1/4 inch between the tube and the floor plate. But you cut the tube completely off to the other side.
right. But this side, there's a gap.
This side there's a gap about at least a 1/4 inch.
Yeah, so that's gotta come down because I know for a fact that it was so close that it looked like it went through. They fucking, they didn't put the pipe all the way through.
Well, if
They
you're-
fucking welded the pipe here, and then they made a fucking stub on the bottom to go from the bottom of the floor to the frame. Yeah, I know. Fucking hackers.